how you can use SD card as an internal storage in Android. The first thing is you need to go to your settings, alright, and then just take a thorough look at everything, and then move forward to the part where additional setting is written, and then you can see all the additional settings which can be done, and then scroll down and then go to developer options over here. Now make sure that your developer option is turned on before you proceed to this. Now scroll down, take a good look at all the options that are available. Go down, go down, go down. Here you have a list of numerous ways to customize your phone, alright? And then keep going down. Now under a certain section, you'll see different types of options. Alright, so let me just scroll right down and then a bit up. Now under the section of apps, we have a few options. Don't keep activities, background process limit, always show crash dialog, show background ANRS, apps not responding, show notification channel warning, adaptive notify priority, and so on. Now you need to go to this option where it's written force allow apps to write on external. Now whatever this is, it says that after enabling this option, it makes all activities resizable for multi-window regardless of manifest values. You simply need to turn this on. Now once this has been turned on, your SD card can be used as an internal storage in Android. So it's that simple. I hope this tutorial on how you can use your SD card as the internal storage in Android was useful to all of you, to all the Android users out there. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments and feedbacks in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more updates.